So it's just been a full day's work today, just cleaning up around the sliding door. It's been pretty uneventful, just a lot of work and quite fiddly. There's lots of little bits to get into, and I've been trying to take the paint off as best I can. There's actually hardly any rust. I've got one rust hole, which is down here, and I'm going to have to make a little plate for that. Might do that tomorrow. But really, actually, the rest of it's pretty rust free. I've had some minor rust. I've taken it off. It's been pretty easy. But really fiddly, loads of little cavities and stuff. I haven't got all of it out. So in this corner here, for example, I've cleaned it up, but I can't actually get to it easily with my wire brush. And it's one of those pick your battles. It's not rusty. It seems good nick. I'm just going to paint over it. So I've scuffed it up as best I can. So yeah, woo. It's been a full day's work. I've deoxidised the bare metal, and I'm just going to paint it. So there we are, all done, all painted up. Pretty happy with it. Most of the really bad stuff's come out. Took a bit of work, has to be said. But I'm actually pretty happy with the way that that's turned out. And we'll see if it lasts. One of the few things that I noticed, but no one else will, is that just here, the primer didn't land well onto the old paint, so that's probably because it was dirty. I haven't cleaned it up properly, so I just will need to take that off again when I do the floor. I just need to scrub that paint off again, but yeah, it's done. There we go. Side door finished.